Minus 40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius, can you hold up? Extreme isn't rare, it's every drive. And this is only the beginning. Many people think tire pressure is just a sensor. But once you truly step into this industry, you realize the bar is high from the very beginning. Communication alone isn't a single standard. With over 500 vehicle models worldwide, across different years, every car speaks its own onboard computer language. Across the US, Europe, China, Korea, Taiwan, and Japan, covering passenger cars and commercial vehicles, as governments progressively mandate tire pressure safety, market demand continues to grow. The signal doesn't just need to be transmitted, it has to penetrate thick vehicle body panels at speeds of up to 300 km per hour, remaining stable and interference-free. And it must comply with different wireless regulations across countries, FCC, NCC, and more. This product is installed inside the tire. It must withstand extreme cold down to minus 40 degrees Celsius and heat up to 125 degrees Celsius, while enduring high-speed rotation, vibration, and impact, continuing to operate reliably throughout. This is automotive electronics, built with an orange, military-grade design mindset. But the hardest part isn't just the environment. It's that a battery with only 250 mAh must, while the vehicle is driving, measure every 5 seconds, transmit every 30 seconds, and keep doing so continuously for 5 years. Under these extreme, high-bar manufacturing conditions, mass production tests not the machines, but our system integration capability. Design, automated production, data, quality, shipping, and feedback are all connected as one system, ensuring no step is allowed to fail. That's why Orange Electronics continues to earn the highest TQ quality awards from automotive manufacturers. Through real-time feedback, every process is designed to be right the first time, naturally unlocking capacity. That's how we achieve less manpower, yet higher output. From the moment manufacturing is complete, this product begins leaving its digital trace. Shipping isn't the end, it's the point where it enters our AI-driven management system. Every procedure may look identical, but each one quietly generates valuable data. We've built a lightweight ERP system tailored for tire shops, fast, easy to use, with free training and seamless integration into your daily workflow. With every installation, data flows straight back to Orange's cloud-based big data platform for advanced AI analysis. This powerful data lets us improve product quality, understand real-world installer habits, optimize operations, and bring tire shops and our design team together in one synchronized, AI-driven ecosystem. These automated processes didn't appear overnight. We built the foundation over a decade ago. We don't just make products, we protect every breakthrough with patented technology, making true replication nearly impossible. That's why even when competitors see the outcome, replicating the process is extremely difficult. From R&D to manufacturing in Taiwan, our tire pressure monitoring systems go directly to the US and Europe, serving tire channels locally and working face-to-face with tire technicians on the ground.
这就是为什么我们办得到的优势。既然决定要做，就做到最好。
Orange TPMS isn't a one-way line. It's a system that continuously loops back to its source. Orange is zero range.